My 1999 F350 with the 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel engine in it. It's a 4x4 extended cab. It has 206,000 kilometers on it, and that's coupled up with my 2007 Forest River Wildcat trailer. It's got a bedroom slide and a living room slide, and they're both in very good condition. This video just to demonstrate overall condition and that the lights all work, and I'll post this on YouTube so I can use it to show folks that might be interested in buying this awesome rig. There's a whole bunch of still pictures of the interior, so I won't bother with taking pictures of those. And it's April the 14th, 2018. I've also had some folks asking for pictures of the interior of this pickup truck. So we'll just have a little look at that. So here's a little bit better look at the interior. The truck is in very good condition, as you can see. All nice, never been smoked in. That's a big deal for lots of folks. 7.3 engine, so recently serviced, in very good condition. More of the interior. All right, there you go. Power windows, power door locks. Air conditioning works great.